Long day, long time. And I'm trying to copy these two. I just did a different one. I got two of them. This one is big and this one is small. And my favorite is the big one because this one is like, it's like dinky, so big, so large. And this one is pretty small. Let's dinkier. So cute. I'm gonna put that back. So yeah. Let's use yellow. Let's put it on the stars and the sparkles. Sorry. I'm trying to do a very, very long video for y'all. Yeah, so this is how it looks right now. Stay all day. Oh my god, I forgot these. Oh my god, I'm so bad at looking. So, we're already done. So let's go to the blue for the sky. I didn't outline that, but I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna use so much. This one, you don't have to use a small part. You can use a bigger one, just like that. And you guys actually can lift it up. I don't like to do it because you just get a mess on your hat, and then you go to the bathroom, remove it. It doesn't go up. Like, you gotta use real soap. Boom, 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 boom. And it's wasting my time because I want to do videos for y'all. So I'm gonna try and study more, like do my studying a lot faster, and then I can do a video for y'all. Lineage, come on. Pretty cute. Oh my god, this is so hard. Let's get the ASMR. Oh my god, I'm so bad. What the Sigma? Like, what the? What the? Still a little drawing fight. Okay. Stop playing. Let's use this little glue. Put on the clouds, outline, only outline it. That's the only thing we're gonna do because why not? So I just outline the cloud and yeah. So let's do the smoothie, of course. So which color? Orange. Let's do orange for the straw. No, scratch that. The bottom part, yeah. It looks pretty yellow. I don't know why, but we can go with it. Because I've already started, so I and marker can't erase it. So we gotta go with that, y'all. We gotta go with that, y'all. Lol. And I love mine so much. It's like so cute. I just can't explain. And so you say so. Ooh, I'm for the show, the cheerleader. She was all over the leader. The how looks. And the eyes. Can everyone say bruh? Bruh, 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 bruh. Bruh, 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 bruh. Oh, shit. Like, why am I so lazy? Why am I looking everywhere for some easy pins? Pins. So, let's draw the outline. Looks like that. We're also gonna do the same thing on the hair. And then the bunny ears, you can just outline it a little bit blacker. And the straw, we're gonna cut so that's perfect. Comb. Gonna take this one again, put it in the bunny ears. Here's how it looks. Here's how it looks. Here's how it looks. I've just done these 3 parts. Like, you know that crown I was saying? It's not so cool after all. So, let's take this. The lynch. This one is a circle. All the rest have been like a square. So, it's pretty different. Let's see how it looks. Like, I've used this one so many times, so that's why it's so blurry. But it actually works still. And it's so smooth when it's writing. Let's show you guys the reveal. I don't know. Oh my god. Super cute. So, I think it should be called